So for today's writing assignments, students were supposed to type their essay, their opinion essay that they've been working on all week. And so I asked them to do it in their Office account so that they could share with you. And I wanted to show you guys how to give them feedback on that. So when you open up your Office account and you go to OneDrive, it should open up like this, and you can go to your shared folder. The documents that they share with you should pop up over here. So for example, here's one that a student shared with me before we left. It pops up exactly what they sent you. And when it loads, of course it's being slow, you can go to editing up here and reviewing to add comments and suggest changes. So everything that I put is going to be in red. So I might want to tell her, you know, this is a great title. Or maybe please include another sentence with details here. So everything that I put on there automatically saves like we just saw. And so when your student opens their item back up, they can see all of the suggestions and guidance that you give them in their Word document.